Welcome to SAT School. I am your instructor from satschool.com. This is our fourth video on HCF and LCM. Now let's get started. So this is where we left on last video, practice question number 13. If you have not watched that video, I strongly recommend to watch that first. Click the I button above and watch the video. Now, if you have not solved this problem, let's solve this. Here we have the first expression, which is x cubed plus 1 plus 2x squared plus 2x. Looking at first two terms, x cubed plus 1, that is in the form of a cube plus b cube. And last two terms, there is 2x common between them. So from the first two terms, we get x plus 1, x squared minus x plus 1. From last two terms, 2x is common, so 2x, x plus 1. Now here x plus 1 is common, and the remaining is x squared minus x plus 1 plus twice x. You can add minus x and plus 2x, and that will result in plus x, something like this. The second expression is in the form of a cube minus b cube. Here the second expression is x cube minus 1, and that is in the form of a cube minus b cube, which is now x minus 1, x squared plus x plus 1. Now finally, the third expression is in the form of a4 plus a squared b squared plus b4, and this is what we did in practice question 12. So here we change x4 into x squared whole square, and we add 1 plus x squared, and then we subtract at the end. So here plus x squared is added, and that is subtracted at the end, and that gives you x squared whole square plus 2x squared plus 1 minus x squared. Here, looking at the first three terms, that is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is x square plus 1 whole square. Now again, this is in the form of a square minus b square. Here a means x square plus 1, b means x. So that can be written as a plus b, a minus b. If you arrange, then x squared plus x plus 1, x squared minus x plus 1. Now to find HCF, we look for common factor. In this case, x squared plus x plus 1 is the highest common factor. Now here is practice question 14. The first expression, a square plus 2ab plus b square minus c square. Now looking at first three terms, we have a square plus 2ab plus b square, and that is a plus b whole square. Now these two terms are in the form of a square minus b square. So a plus b and a minus b. The second expression, b square plus 2bc plus c square minus a square. So we follow the same process like in the first expression. Looking at first three terms, which is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, we can write now b plus c whole square minus a square. Again, this is in the form of a square minus b square, which can be written as a plus b, a minus b. You can arrange this a plus b plus c and minus a plus b plus c. And finally, we have the same form of the expression like first and second. So from the first three terms, we get c plus a whole square and minus b square. This is in the form of a square minus b square. Can be written as c plus a plus b, c plus a minus b. Now you can arrange these terms like this. To find HCF, we have a common factor, which is a plus b plus c from all those expression. So this is the highest common factor. Next, practice question 15. The first expression here is a plus b whole square minus 4ab. So the first term a plus b whole square can be written as a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now minus 4ab and plus 2ab will result in minus 2ab, and that is in the form of now a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is equals to a minus b whole square. That can be written as a minus b, a minus b. Now the second expression is in the form of a cube minus b cube. So you can write the formula for a cube minus b cube, which is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Now finally we have the third expression, that is a square plus ab minus twice b square. Now in this expression we have to factorize, and to factorize we multiply the coefficient of a square and coefficient of b square here. So simply multiplying coefficient we get 2. Now the factors of 2 are 2 and 1. Here we have to get plus ab, so the plus will be in front of the bigger number and minus in front of smaller number, meaning plus 2 and minus a. So that will give you plus ab, like this: a square plus 2ab minus ab minus 2b square. So that plus 2ab and minus ab that we obtain from the factors of 2. Now looking at first two terms and looking at last two terms, we get some common numbers. Here the common is a in the first two term and minus b in the last two terms. Now here we get a plus 2b, a minus b. Now to find HCF, we have a common factor from all those expressions, which is a minus b, and that is a common from all those expressions, which is highest common factor. Now this is practice question 16. The first expression, which is m square plus 4mn plus 4n square, we have to factorize this first expression. The second expression, m4 plus 8mn cube. So here m is common between those two terms. And finally 3m4 plus m cube n minus 10m square n square. Here we have m square common from all those terms. So I want you to practice this question. You try to solve this. And this much for today. I will meet you in next video. Thanks for watching. If you like, don't forget to subscribe. Take care.